Okay, so
Isra is
this
joining in a moment.
oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. No, I'm really beginning to understand the struggle, right? Kisha, he's walking to an like a forest, and then over there only he's getting internet. I don't know how he's attending my meetings from that place because he's doing it with a phone. You know, because my meeting, if you're doing it with a phone, it's very difficult to understand because I'm sharing my screen all the time. No, it's a very small little screen. So hopefully Kisha can, pick it up. Okay, guys, can you see my screen now?
Not yet on my side.
Okay, okay, just give me 1 second. See, guys, this is the most important thing, guys. I mean, I want to, yeah, yeah. See, all we already have, the the Spectralite client. Okay, the next one is obviously Fryer. So if you look at this deck, right, I started preparing this deck because I'm not, because this is the first time I'm thinking, maybe it's not easy for you to do this yourself. But once we, get past the first client, you can hopefully, do this for all your, future clients. So this is the first page of that. Fryer is the name of the company. Um, what do we want to do is, the next slide is, what we want to do. We want to identify and connect with all the potential clients. And here is a new one that I added after talking to the founder of Fryer. We discussed that, we can have two approaches, a top-down approach and a bottom-up approach. A top-down approach is where the leadership team, so this is the CEO of Fryer, this is the Chief Operating Officer of Fryer, and let's say this is the CFO of Fryer. The top leaders of Fryer are trying to connect with the top leaders of their clients, CEO, right? Or any of the CXO, Chief Executive, Chief Financial Officer, so that's what we will do. That's our top-down approach. Okay, people of the leadership of our client will connect with the leadership of our end client. Do you understand this slide? So these two boxes are the Fryer people. Okay, that is the people of our clients or the employees of our clients. The green box and the the reddish box, muddish looking box, right? So the bottom people, the sales team of Fryer, I can just make this, Fryer, right? Are you able to get this? This is the Fryer leadership team, and this is the Fryer sales team. Just, Mohammed, this is very important for you, so I want you to stop, because you are going to be, literally presenting this in a sense. So you have to ask me questions if you don't understand any of the things that I'm doing. So this is the Fryer's team, and this is the client of Fryer. So Fryer is selling to the pharma industry, cosmetic industry, medical devices industry, and so on and so forth, right? So we can even forget the industry, right? So we can just say, so Fryer number one industry is pharma, number two is you can say medical devices, right? Cosmetic industry, cosmetics, and we can also say food. There is more than that, but I'll just stop here. I mean, we get the point. So these are the companies. If I take the example of pharma, let's say Pfizer. Okay, I think it's right here. Yeah. Cool. So, Kisha, same thing we also need to do for, Spectralite. So, learn this well. So at the top is the Fryer leadership team. Bottom is the Fryer sales team. From your point of view, let's say Mohammed Jamari, let's say Muhammad will be representing, this person, the person in the, let's say, the middle, right? And maybe Jean-Marie will be representing this person, Zach will be representing this person, right? And then they will be connecting to all of these CEOs, right? And similarly, they once he expands the team, then then we will have one each for each of these things to connect. What is happening?
I will admit people in the lobby, so don't worry.
But you can do that. Thank you. Okay, cool. So if you see this is the approach that we are going to take. The client is the friar. We are going to take a top-down approach and a bottom-up approach. The top-down is all the CEOs and CXOs of Friar connecting to the clients. Bottom-up is people connecting to the manager, director, all these kind of things basically, right? So basically, this person we can say he'll connect to all the directors like this, and we can say this lady is going to connect to all the managers like this, right? And we can, this is what we are trying to do. Okay, so once we have done that, we are trying to find out, how many people. So we are starting first bottoms up. Okay, so for example, all these people here, how many of them, they need to connect in this industry, right? In pharma, in medical devices, in cosmetics, in food, all these things. How many people they need to connect? Okay, we are talking bottom up now. So in bottom up, if I go one down, we have found there are 59,000 people in pharma that we can connect bottom up, managers, directors, those kind of people. There are 18,000 people in medical devices, 8,000 in food, chemicals, and cosmetics, right? So we are able to identify 95,000 totally. Okay, if we add up 60, 78, 86, whatever, 90, all these things we add together, it's around 95 or a little bit more than that, 78, something like that, right? So that many clients are there, bottom up. And who are those guys? Here are those guys. Pharma, the word regulatory, because Friar is actually, selling their, services to all the people who, in the world of regulatory compliance. So pharma regulatory in the United States, right? So there are 59,000 people globally. Okay, like here, globally in pharma, 59,000, but in the US, 11,000 people are there. Similarly, 3,500 people in UK, 7,000 people in India. In medical devices, 18,000, 8,500. I think you understand the way I'm trying to do is in UK, so many, in Australia, so many. We are just identifying the top markets. Okay, so this is how we are identifying the clients that the bottom of the Friar sales team, here needs to connect up. Okay, I hope that's clear. And then we follow the same step. We follow the 7 steps to do the work, etc., etc., etc. And one of us can connect with 40 people a day, 800 people a month, 10,000 people a year. Okay, so that is what we need to be able to do. So we can connect with 10,000 potential stakeholders every year. Okay, so what does that mean? Let's say if Mohammed, is able to connect with, let me come here. Instead of 95, let's assume, it's 100,000 people. 100,000 people. Okay. If Mohammed is able to connect with 10,000 in 1 year, how many people do we need to connect with all 10,000?
10 people.
That's it. We need 10 people. So if for this company, for Friar, we are simply saying that if we hire 10 of our refugees, okay, we can finish the entire population in the world, across the world, the entire population in the world, who care about the world regulatory. Okay, regulatory is the main thing. Okay, this is what we are trying to sell to people. Okay, what we are trying to do is the power of our population. We have such a large population of refugees across the world. We want to use that power to go to each of these companies and say, these are the many thousands of people that you have, that you need to sell your product or service to, and we believe we can use 10 people and finish off all these people, in a year. We can introduce who Fryer is to all these people. Introduce. We can't do much more than introducing, right? And we have already seen how we will introduce. Is there any questions on this particular thing? How do we go bottom up? Or is it clear? Kisha and Isra, you also need to understand this because, we are exactly going to do this bottom up thing for Mahadev, for Spectralite. Right? And then we will do top down, for the CEO alone. Only the CEO wants to do top down. So this is Spectralite CEO, and we will connecting with all the CEOs of all the companies, shortly. So the bottom up one will always be very big, 100,000, 1 million, 2 million people. The top down will be like 5,000 people, 6,000 people. You should be able to finish top down within 2 months, 3 months, like that. Is that all clear, Kisha, Isra?
Yes,
shout, if you think it's,
Yeah, I think it's clear, especially for this slide for identifying how the number that we're going to reach, maybe for Friday in a period of 1 year. It's very clear. Yeah, but we still have maybe the gap on how to get those people. Maybe it's now because we never went through the Cell Navigator, how to get those potentials.
Yeah. Don't worry about the data, because now that already Kisha has got access, to all the data.
Okay.
So all of you will also get access. I'll get you access to all of you. Okay. So that is the top down. Okay, sorry, bottom up. Now I haven't yet done the top down, but I'm trying to go the top down. But top down, I think is going to be very less. Let me also teach you how to do this, right? So that you also know. So we talked about top down. And one more thing I did, I put everything that we spoke so far into an Excel spreadsheet so that it's easy for you to work. So, see, PPT is very good, to present and make an impression. But then when you start to work on something, then you need to have some, really, concrete thing. So what I have done, that if you remember the top down list and bottom down list, I have created this one, bottom up list. What is the bottom up list for, Spectralite? It is this. It starts with, sustainability, global, 740,000 people. Okay. That many people are there for, Mahadev, and Kisha is going to work with them and see how they can connect with all these people. And then Mahadev's co-founder is Shruti, and Isra is going to work on her and connect with this other segment. So Kisha will connect with the sustainability segment. Isra will work on the packaging segment, okay, where there are 47,000 customers globally. Is this clear? These are the only two things Kisha and Isra are going to do for the next, I don't know, 1 month or maybe 2 months or maybe more than that, right? There is more people here, but we will not even come to this and before we finish all these things, right? Is that clear? What I have done? I have done whatever I have done here. I have just taken it to an Excel. So because 740,000, 47,000 is so big, I'm now doing division here. Look at this. The the sustainability number, right? The global number. I divided that number into country by country. You see, India has 27,000. US has 270,000. UK has 81,000, like that. So I have divided the 740,000 here. Then I asked, what is number one priority? Number one priority, he said, is India. Okay, so number one is India for Kisha, right? Then I asked, what is number two? He said US. Okay, so this is my priority one, priority two. So I have to finish all these 27,000 people before I go to US to start with 270,000. Okay. Now, even 27,000 is a very large number. When I search for LinkedIn, I can only get maximum 2,500 people. So what I have done, I took India and broke them down into this, right? Can you see? It's all Mahadev, sustainability, India, and this. So if you look at this, this is the 27,000. I haven't yet, put all the numbers here, but if you add, 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,500, all these things, if you add like this, it will become 27,000. So Keshav will work on the sustainability segment in India with 27,000 customers, and he will start contacting them. So already I put some, work behind before even Keshav, started yesterday. I have already contacted so many people, some 2,694. 77% I've contacted, 39% I've contacted. Of that people I've contacted, so many people have already, connected back. Okay, 32% roughly. And this is my URL. So if I click this URL, let me show you, how that works. If I click this URL, it should automatically, show you this same thing. Should come for you also, Keshav. Okay. So if you look at this, right, there are 2,000 people, and already all of these people are being, being connected with, right? So here, if I say relationship first degree connections, I will get all the people, 498 people, who have already connected with me. When I started this piece of work 2 months ago or 1 month ago, nobody, I had zero here. Nobody was connected to Mahadev, the chief executive of, Spectralite. Nobody, zero. But in the last 1 month or 2 months, by sending 1,764 messages, connection messages, I've got 581 people connected with me. Okay. That's the thing. And that link is also here. Started the campaign. Right. Now, this is what you need to do. I hope, I'm making sense to everybody. This is not how it will be for Fryer. Okay. Fryer will be all zero. Everything will be zero. Right. Mahadev wanted to start this work 4 weeks ago. You guys were not ready. I just started this. Okay. But for Fryer, it's not like that. You guys are ready. The client is also ready. He wants to start the work. So it will be an empty Excel sheet, and we have to start working on that. And, we have to do this. So think of this as your dashboard. This is the essence of everything. Okay. First, you will find out totally, if you look at this number, right? Totally, globally for Spectralite, there are 845,000 people bottom up, 1,000 people top down. Who are those 1,000 people? Chief sustainability officers across the world, 1,000 people. Okay. This list will become bigger and bigger. This also will become bigger and bigger. But we start with this number. 845,000 human beings is a lot of human beings, right? Almost 1 million people, right? And 1,000 people. So this is what? Global. What did I do next? I split them into country like this. Which country? Then I asked him, what is the priority? First priority, second priority. He said, go to Netherlands, 3. Third priority. UK, 4. Fourth priority. Germany, 5. France, 6. Australia, 7. Right? So I did by in country. Then I did by the actual working, which is in an actual working, I can't have 10,000, 20,000. I can only have 2,500 maximum. Okay, in here. So I split again, this one into smaller buckets, smaller pieces. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this. Let me show you that. Okay, Keshav, this is really important. So let me know whether you understand this. Okay, let me remove all these things. Okay, because I need to get my total number, right? My total number is this. Okay. Oh no, this more than 10 years can also go, I think, right? What is this? Oh, this is for Spectralite, is it? Okay. Where is this number coming from? Sustainability, 740,000. It's coming from here. Let me see. Yeah, 720. So I'm just picking, CXOs, partners, all these people, more than 10, right? Now, this is my total people that I need to connect with, okay? And then we actually decided something that we will not connect with some of these people. Like, for example, information technology, we will not connect with. Financial services will not connect with, because those people don't really are not going to be banking, are not going to be the right people. You remember, Kisha, we spoke to telecom. He said it's okay. Investment banking, no. Insurance, no. Right? Accounting, no. Computer software, no. Internet, no. Marketing and advertising, he said okay. Anything, no. So now it's all yes. To make it no, I have to cross this. Okay, I hope you can, as they become red, I'm just, omitting these industries. So let me just, give a 1 minute background to Spectralite, right? What Spectralite does, everybody, they produce this, from bamboo and rice husk and all these, things that are going for waste, right? They create this raw material. And then they try to give this raw material to all the people who are making plastic products. So their idea is, they want to make the world a more sustainable place. So they want to replace everything that is currently made in plastic, okay, into something that will be made out of rice husk or coffee husk or bamboo husk, or things that grow in abundance and get thrown away or burnt. Okay, so that is something that we can obviously, that kind of a thing, you don't want to sell it to some internet company or financial services company, right? You will usually sell that to a different company. So we have removed almost 100,000 things. Can you see this one? By removing these people, right? We have removed, nearly, so we can actually write this as 620,000. This one of 720. And we can also remove this URL and put the new URL that I just created. Okay, so I think you are able to understand where I'm going with this, right? So that's a global. 620,000 people are global. Now I want to start somewhere, right? I can't start with 620. That is more than 500,000 people. So I asked him, where you want to start first? He said, start India. Okay, here is India. I've selected India. How many people are there in India? 21,000 people in India. Okay, I have actually made a note of those things. 21,000. Where is India? Yeah, it's not 27,000 because I removed some of the industries. So it is 21,000. And also the URL. I'll copy the URL and paste it here. Okay, so that is 21,000. And then 21,000 is also very big. I need to split it into 10 parts or 9 parts approximately. Correct, Kisha? Because you can't search in LinkedIn Sales Navigator all 21,000 people. Okay, you can only search maximum of 2,500 people. So I'm going to split this India 21,000 into 10 2,000 people. Okay, how I'm doing that, right? It's very simple. If I go here, I've already done that, but I'll show you how I'm doing it. I am doing it by, let me show you, okay, let me, click on this. I've already done that. So, I'll just have to go and look at how I've done it. So how I've done that is by introducing more filters. So the first filter I put is 10,000. Company, company size is more than 10,000 people. Okay, let me see whether that works. Okay, this is where we are. So I go to company, not this one. I think it's there under view all filters. Company size, where is company size? Company headcount. Okay, more than 10,000, I have 3,000 people. That is too many people. I still need to, split it, into 2 parts. So I can say more than 10,000, and I can say company type also. Let's say privately held company. Let's say how many? 774. Perfect. Okay. Or I can start with publicly, this one, public company, because that's 2,000 people. Yeah. So public company. So look at the number. It is only 2,000. Perfect for me to start the campaign. So I do the search. I get 2,000 people. Okay. And, all these people come, Shubha, Kanishk, all these people, right? Now it is 2,000 people. Now I can, start my campaign to each and every one of these people, by, clicking here. And then, obviously I started the campaign, so everybody will be pending because they've all been sent that message, right? So this is how we come here. This one, right? Started the campaign and we have already started. So that's the first one, right? India, first one. Second one is, this one, right? Third one is this. Fourth is this. Fifth is 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly 9. And these all 9s are India things. And Keshav will have to finish all of these nine things before he goes to US. Okay, to do that. Is that clear, Keshav?
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, anybody has any doubts on this? What has happened with Spectralite so far? I can just show you, also what is happening with Spectralite, here in the messaging. If you go to the LinkedIn inbox, you can see. Look, even today, many messages are going. It's like it will keep on going. Crazy. So. What Keshav Keshav is supposed to do two things, just before he starts the new ones. Okay, what Keshav will do now is, for Mahadev, the chief executive of Spectralite, for every single one who's connected. Okay, see this. Let me click on this first one. He's connected. Look at the first degree. Keshav, can you see this? He's connected. That's why it says first degree connection. Okay. Now Keshav can write a message here. What message he'll write? This one. Oh, it's gone 2 times. Keshav, just be careful. This message has gone 2 times. So he will just, copy this message and paste it here. Just be careful, Keshav, this name, right? Many thanks for connecting, Mahesh. You see that I changed the name here. Just a bit careful, okay? But if you don't want to put the name Mahesh, that's also fine. I don't mind. Just say many thanks for connecting, because I'm worried that you will not type the name and it will be a problem. Okay, so that's very, very important. Okay, so let's catch up, etc., etc. Okay, so this can be a. Okay, I'll just copy this message, send. So you've done our part. Don't send this again, just only once, and then go to Luna, send the message again. I think there is some problem with this copy paste actually. It's not. I always like to copy paste on Notepad, because when you copy paste inside, you just need to do it once actually. Look at the number of spaces it has put. Weird reason. Yeah, this I'll copy and paste. This will be perfect. Do you see what I'm doing? So you sent the connection request a couple of days ago. This lady connected with you, and you are basically thanking her. Many thanks for connecting. We believe the same passion. If you're exploring anything, I would be glad to explore with you. Okay. Shilpa, also, Shilpa has already said anything, so don't say anything more than this. Just leave her alone. Sanjoy, yes, we have not sent the second message, so send the second message. Vijay, we have not sent the second message, so send the second message. Saurabh, second message. Akshay, second message. Wait, I think I might have missed somebody. Indu, Nirup, okay. Oh, this is going more actually. Okay. So look at this. This is amazing, right? Look. Mahadev sent the first. Hey, can you guys see this or is it too small?
Too small, but now we
It is a
can.
bit small.
Okay. So Mahadev connected first. Okay. And that guy saying, oh, great. What kind of the thing? Okay. Then, Mahadev sent the second one. Then he says, do let me know with regard to furniture specifically. We are looking at relocating our office. Okay. So learn these things, how Mahadev is, responding. Thank you so much. Best wishes for your new office. In the furniture space, we are supplying few furniture components to Kurlon and completed a few trials with Featherlight. We are not ready yet with the products. However, you may definitely consider our off-the-shelf products for your office pantry and make your office greener with our planter pots. Please let me know if I can be of any further assistance. He could have basically, he could have said you can find these products. Be careful, don't respond to these kind of things, but I know everything, so I'm responding. Eha.eco. So this Eha.eco is also Mahadev's company. Okay. What he does is he converts, so he sells two things. He is able to sell the raw material which replaces plastic to the people who are manufacturing toys, anything. Okay. But then he also makes some of these products himself. So coffee cups. This is made from coffee beans. This particular coffee cup you see is made from coffee. This is made from rice husk. Okay. And look at all these products, right? Plates, bamboo, garden, this thing, pottery, all these things, he's selling over here. And how he's using agricultural waste, how he's engaging with, farmers, all these things, so that, how many tons of carbon he's saving, etc., is here, right? So this is basically his, what do you say, like retail company. So through this company, you can basically go to a shop and buy all these things, all the coffee cup, mug, everything like this. Chai cup, coffee cup, pottery, some things here, etc., All of this is only selling it in India right now. Okay. But Spectralite is the raw material. I hope you can understand the difference, but it's okay. You will have to, learn this slowly. So if you come here, you can find most of these, green products. Here it. Our retail outlet. That's it. Oh, this is not. Let me just quickly finish this. Because the previous one, did not have a hyperlink actually. I hate, when there is no hyperlink. So now it is good. Eha.eco, there's a hyperlink, somebody can click, right? So what am I doing? Again, I want to just copy this. I mean, you are getting it, right? Let me make it a little bit, smaller. It's very difficult for me to. Okay. So I have responded to all these people. Yeah, I have responded to all these people. I have responded. You're with me, right? Isra, I hope you're also getting it, right? So that's great. Thanks for sharing. Same thing. He is sharing the same thing, and everybody is saying many thanks. Okay. 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 This is something else. This is not to do with this. Okay. Okay. Not many people. So you have to constantly keep going down. Because Mahadev has done a lot of these things, but you have to go. It's been running for more than a month, so you'll always find a lot of things, right? Okay, from here maybe. Yeah, from here. Yeah. Are you okay, Kisha? You understand, right? What I'm doing. So look at this, all these people, they have to be responded. All these people connected, all of these guys. So keep going back for almost like a month, you will get lots of people. Look, this guy is connected. Right? So keep on sending these messages until you finish all these people. Okay. So that, never need to go back again to all these people. Everything what you do every day will be fresh people who will be connecting over here. Okay. I hope this is clear for you. And, I'm going to go back to the original thing, right? This one. Okay. So what we did, we are now doing these people. So what, Kisha, you can do, you can also, while you're, so if you know what I'm saying, Kisha, you are doing the second message for all these people. Okay. The first two, second message you're doing. Okay. Now for the third row, you will start doing the first message. Is that clear, Kisha? Okay, how will you do the third row first message? This particular row, click on it. You will go to the thing. These people, none of them would be, there are 1,000 people here. None of them would be connected in this, right? So, one small thing that I have to do is to remove all these, people. It's okay, very small number of people are there. That's okay. So these people you need to connect with, right? All these people, right? How will you do that? You can just click here, connect, and then put your, personal message, which is nothing but the first message. What is the first message for Mahadev? It's really there, right? It's all over the place for Mahadev, first message. This is the first.
I've seen it.
Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, sorry, this one. The first message is this, yeah. Click, connect, paste. Just be really careful about one thing, Kisha, their name, right? Hi Prakash, in this case, you have to write his first name. Hi Bhavik. Right? This is the most important thing, Kisha. And then send the invitation.
Yes, I always keep write a message on a Word document without a name, where I copy, so that I don't make a mistake of sending a name to a person.
Yes, very, very good point. Very, very good point. Very, very good point. Yes, always keep, high, never keep anything else. Okay, so even if you forget sometimes, it's okay. Never keep the other person's name in your copy. Yeah, very good point. So it is okay sometimes, instead of you forget typing his name, it's okay. It's okay. Hi Prasad. Right? Send. Cool. Right? This is the easiest way to do it. Okay, but the problem will be for Isra because she doesn't have the Sales Navigator. For people who have the Sales Navigator, it's really easy like this, just go and do it, but for Isra, she doesn't have the Sales Navigator. For Shruti, so we have to do some other thing, I'll have to import this into an Excel and give it to her. Then she will be able to do it. Or I can also teach you, Isra, how to import it, import this whole thing into an Excel, so that you yourself can, we can configure a robot which will, import all these 1,000 people into an Excel sheet. Okay, I can teach you that, Isra, over a period of time. So, is it clear, both Kisha and Isra, what you have to do? So, Kisha is going to play the role of Mahadev. So he's doing that. The third one, I have already given the URL. Just click on this and start. So I think I connected with 2 customers just now, right? So I've done 2. Don't worry about, repeating or duplicating. You will never be able to connect with the same guys that I've connected. Okay. How that is possible? If I go and check my thing, they say pending. No, not this one, this one. I connected with Bhavik, Kumar and Prasad Modak, right? So if I go try to reconnect with them, it will not allow. It says pending. See, it will say pending here. So you anyway can't make a mistake. So don't worry about it. Okay. You have to start with the third guy. Connect, add the message, and go on. Okay. So this is how you will do it, Kisha. For Isra, I'll give her a Excel sheet. What you will do? I'll just remove this filter so that she knows what she's doing. So Isra, for Shruti, who's the other co-founder of this one, these 4 things are already happening. She's contacting all the people in Sweden, Finland, and UK. Okay, she's finished contacting Sweden 100%, Finland 100%, UK just starting. Okay, so you can start with the next one for Shruti. I will add the next one here for you, Ishra, which will be next one. Like it will be Shruti, Isra, packaging. Something else, not UK, it will be the next country. Say, which is the next country for her? We have finished. Finland is 1, Sweden 2, UK 3. Which is the 4th one? Netherlands. So Netherlands is the 4th one. So you'll have to do Netherlands. How many people are in Netherlands? I don't know this yet, but we'll find out how many people are there in Netherlands. Yeah, don't worry about it. We'll find out. And I'll give you, the entire list of all people in Netherlands in an Excel sheet so that, you can just simply connect with all of them. I hope, this is clear, guys. Okay, so this whole thing, whatever we have done is this bottom up. Yeah, this one. You remember, the sales team. So you're basically, connecting with all the people, on the bottom, right? We'll also do the same thing from the top, once Kesha. So let's say once Kesha has completed, the whole of India for sustainability, which is this, which is all these segments. Let's say, he's completed. Then he can connect with the top-down people. Where are the top-down here? This row. So Kesha will play the role on behalf of Mahadev. Connect with all the chief sustainability officers across the globe. How many of them are there? 1,000 of them. Where are they? Click on this link. Or copy this link and paste it. I don't know why it is not clicking. Copy this link and paste it, Kesha, here. You will get the 1,000 chief sales officers across the world. Sorry, chief sustainability officers across the world. Look at this. And what is the way? Exactly the same way. Click, connect, message, send. Same thing, Kesha. You with me, Kesha? So 2 main things.
Yeah.
Okay, so who's dropped out? I think Yomari, Kesha. Okay, cool. So what we need to do now is, just prepare this story for Fryer. Okay, I'm done with Spectralite. Any questions on Spectralite before we move to Fryer? Who else is the other 2? Zamzam and Zach, right? So this is the PPT for Fryer, right? What we're going to do. In the case of Fryer, it's going to be, a little bit more than this, okay? Mohammed, it's important for you and Jean-Marie to understand this. Fryer, right, like I told you, he wanted to start with a 20 people team, but then I said, hold on to your horses, we'll go slow, okay? So in Fryer, what he wants to do, he wants to start the leadership team, and he also wants to start the sales team, from the bottom. But he wants to do for one industry first, cosmetic industry. Okay. So, but it's very important to, show the entire thing like this. Okay. So that, everybody is clear about the whole idea and then go into the cosmetic industry, right? So, if I have to show you what Fryer actually wants, if you go here, what he wants is, he wants to basically, talk to the industry called cosmetics. Cosmetics. Okay. There are 2 million people in the world of cosmetics, right? Now, who does he want to talk to in the world of cosmetics? Maybe maybe some senior people. Let's say the owner, CXO. Okay, maybe we'll just start with the CXO. Okay, not even the owner. How many people? This is very good. There are 43,000 people across the world who are in the business of cosmetics and have a C-level title. This is a good number, 43,000. So let's say, I don't know, I don't know who I said will do this, right? Maybe Jean-Marie and Zach, right? Jean-Marie, you understand this cosmetic because you're going to do this most probably. So you and Zach will connect with all these 43,000 people. Jean-Marie, are you with me?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. About a particular business, so the business that you will be doing is, let me just quickly, let me just show you the, the message, so this is what is the message we have, chosen, but we can figure it out, right? So it is like this. It is like this. Oh, no. It's a small message. So, format, whatever. So like this. So dear client, what if we can achieve digital formula assessment in 63 countries in 2 clicks for all your cosmetic products? We have an up-to-date global regulations repository for more than 32,000 ingredients used in the cosmetic industry to navigate your global regulatory complexity. Try us out at cosmetics.friersolutions.com. So this is the message. There will be a video here, right? Once you click and go there, there will be a video. That video is what is preparing. Okay. So Control C this message. Come here. Connect. Control V. Always take don't use dear. I think, we can use hi. Okay. Hi, Vinny. Correct. And then send invitation. So this 43,000 is what you need to do, Jean-Marie. You and Zach will do these 43,000. Okay. We are starting with CXOs. Obviously, we'll then go to, one level below like that. Is that clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Yeah. I'll give you the first message. I'll give you the second message in the next couple of days. Okay. What Mohammed will do, okay, is, do what is this, so that you understand, right? Jean-Marie, you are attacking, bottom up. Okay. And which bottom up? Okay. Let's assume this is the cosmetic industry. Okay. Or this is. So you're attacking all these managers. No, you're attacking the CX only. But in this case, because it is cosmetic industry, there are many small players. Okay. So we are basically attacking all the CXOs, bottom up. This is not really a top, even though this is a CXO, Jean-Marie, this is not a top-down thing. Okay. We are not trying to, make a big relationship with all these people. We are simply, quickly want to, talk to these people. Okay. So that is the thing that we are doing. What Mohammed will do, he will yes. Go ahead, ask me.
Because every leader will have maybe a target number of people to reach a day. We have to go extra because we have to reach maybe as the calculation comes to a year to 10,000. So we are going to work on that maybe formula.
Meaning this formula, is it? How you got 43,000 people?
Just I am asking to clarify if, for example, I am working with Play. Do I have per day? How many messages do I have to send?
Okay. Oh, very good question. Never send more than 100 messages in a day. Never.
Okay. I was like to clarify if we can have a set of goals to not go just less or beyond.
Yeah.
Now I've gotten beyond is never go beyond 100. You have to have maybe a thick number to not go less.
No, I'm not able to. Yeah, Mohammed, you are able to understand what Jean-Marie is saying. Maybe it's just the voice quality. Can you come again, maybe one more time, if you don't mind, or you can type it also. Yeah.
No, I think I can now try to change it. I have gotten that you need us to not go beyond 100.
Yes.
What is the minimum?
40. Yeah. 40 per day is the minimum. 100 is the maximum. Never go, don't do below 40. See, honestly, to do these 40 times, I don't know, maybe in Kakuma internet, everything. If I did this 40 times, it should take me like less than 10 minutes. No, 10 minutes, no, 5 minutes. If I have to send this to 40 of these people,
okay,
like this, connect, copy, paste, send, with obviously their name. It should take me like 5 to 10 minutes maximum. But definitely in Kakuma, it will take half an hour.
Yeah, it takes longer because of internet.
Internet, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I agree. Okay, so 30 minutes maximum, not more than that. Okay. So this is what, let's say, you and Zach, can you find Zach somehow, Jean-Marie, I want to see if, because you both have to start doing this, from tomorrow maybe or day after tomorrow. So I think, it's important that you find them. And what Mohammed will do, Mohammed will basically, we'll figure out, what is the attack strategy when we meet with the client. Mohammed will do top down. So Mohammed and Zamzam, okay, will do top down. Maybe starting with pharma or medical devices or another thing. The way he will do that is he will look for not CXOs, but honestly, maybe, chief title, chief executive officers, chief executive officer or CEO. And usually, a lot of people will come assistant. Okay, just be careful with that. Assistant, remove the assistant because there will be thousands of people, who will call themselves assistant to the CEO. So, Mohammed, just in the cosmetic industry, right, there are 23,000 CEOs across the world. Okay, so what I will obviously not start with cosmetic. I'll start with, maybe pharma, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, what else industry? Chemicals. These guys are also there in chemicals, like that, right? But what I'll do, I won't start with all those people. There are more than 100,000 people, so obviously it will be too many of them. So maybe I'll start with pharma, just pharma, okay? Pharma CEO assistant, right? So this is my, list. And then obviously there are lots of people. I need to figure out where to start. We can ask, the founder of Freyr where to start, right? Should I start with companies which are very, very big or companies that are very, very small, right? In the world of pharma, right? Maybe we can start with the big ones, more than 10,000 people. There are only 1,000 people there. So we can start with, them, right? And connect and try and connect with all these people, right? Or maybe start, he might think differently. He might say, no, start with companies which are 1 to 10 people, not 10,000 people. Remove 10,000, right? So we'll go with these 4,000 people, and we'll finish all these people first. So basically, Mohammed, you and Zamzam, you both can, start with the CEOs, chief executive officers. On behalf of, let me also find out who. So you will be mapped to Surain, who is the chief executive, Srini Zamzam, Jean-Marie will be Neha, and Zach will be Prachi. So these are the 4 people that we will, try and do for Freyr Solutions, right? And then slowly we'll expand the numbers, to the next level and next level and next level. So this is the idea. And what I will do is, the way we will talk back and forth is only this Excel sheet, so that everybody knows what the hell is happening, right? So I just, connected with 2 people. I have just to know. So whenever you're finished connecting with 100 people, just change this number to 100. Okay. So that you know how things are moving. Everybody knows what's happening every day. Is that clear, everybody? I'll just pause here. I think enough of talking. I'll just we are also 1 hour. I can stop, and we can all stop. If you guys have any question, please ask. Especially Kisha and Isra, I want you to give you some time. Because you have to really start working on it right now. Any questions do you guys have? I mean, once you start working, you'll have thousands of questions. But right now, do you have anything?
I just want to ask a clarification, Anas. In terms of this presentation for Freyr, when will we do that?
When tomorrow? Or you're saying when or who?
The fry. I mean, you were saying that Zamzam and I have been paired, for example, with the top leadership team, and you want us to do the top bottom approach. I understand all of that. Are we going to have to present, or you have presented to them already?
No, I think this is the presentation, right? I'm creating, okay, but we will make this a little bit more precise, and take him through it one more time. It doesn't, because it's a practice for all of us. He's not really expecting any of this presentation to be done to him, okay. But it's always a good thing, right, Mohammed? We can jointly just walk with him, understand his concerns, look at the message that he wants to do, etc., and then we'll go from there. I don't want to make a presentation, because these are all people that I know, they trust me.
Okay. I feel comfortable you doing the presentations for now. I mean, just watching you and just trying to understand that process.
Yes. The first time, yesterday, Kisha and Isra were there in the meeting. I only did the presentation, but I wanted them to watch it and everything, so that they can do it, the next time, because this is not the first client and the last client, right? Okay. So, any other questions? Kisha, what about you? Isra, you have any questions?
Isra, yes. I've not captured somewhere how you got the link from the sales navigator, and then you prepared an Excel sheet of.
Okay. Yeah. You will know it. So for example, Kisha, you and Isra can share the sales navigator link. So you currently are logged into the Mahadev account, right? So Mahadev has sales navigator, but Shruti, she does not have sales navigator. See, I did not want to force everybody to buy a sales navigator. Sales navigator costs like $100. Okay. So it's like, I don't want all our clients to pay us $100 and pay sales navigator another $100. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I want to see if we can, share one sales navigator between you and Isra. And similarly with Mohammed and Jean-Marie and Zamzam, I'll get at least three sales navigators. So, it's easy for them to use it, right? But remember, who your client is. Okay, Isra, you will never ever send anything on behalf of Mahadev. Okay, that should be clear. If you are talking, you should always be talking on behalf of Shruti, and Kisa, you will always be talking on behalf of Mahadev. I hope that is very clear. Yes, Mohammed, you have something to say?
No.
Okay.
My mic was just open. No, I'm just listening. My ear is close to the screen.
Okay, no problems. What about you, Isra? Is it clear? You also will start with the second message. And for you, the second message is going to be slightly different. I'll just try to, make a second message for you, Isra. But you can start with your first message. I will give you the first message and the link also, or the Excel sheet, to whom you need to send that, Isra. Is that clear? I think Isra's mic has been a problem, because even yesterday she was trying to talk and she could not. So no problem, Isra. I think you can just type. Maybe your laptop is having a problem with your mic or something like that, because even yesterday when you tried to speak, we couldn't hear anything.
One more question.
Yes, Kisha.
Yes. It is like the same question that Jean-Marie asked. How many people the clients want me to send the first message in a month? Approximately. Yeah.
Very. Yeah. Let me too. Okay, let me, this is very important question everybody is asking. Okay, so let me just, so basically, first message, right, people, 40 messages, per day, minimum. Okay, first message. 100 message per day maximum. Okay. Now it is up to you whether you want to do 40 or 100. I won't tell you, how much you should do. But if you are, really want to impress them and, create the thing, why don't you do, more? It is up to you, your amount of it. The second message, basically, everybody who has responded, there is no limit to this. Are you with me?
Yes.
But most of the time, the second message will not be more than 10, 20 people any day. 10 people, 15 people, 5 people, 2 people. It is never, in 100, 200. It will be very, 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 small number because not that many people connect every day. That is your second message. Everybody who has responded to the first message. Okay. The third one, okay, so what happens after first message, second message? If they, ask anything more, you put them in a Excel and share it. Okay. And how do we share that? Maybe, we can, we can put here something like this. Engaged clients, something like that. Right? We can just have a simple, Excel sheet like this, simple Excel sheet, where we say something like client URL, I mean the URL of the client, question he has asked, so that you have a good documentation of all the things that that person is asking. You understand, like and let's say status, question he has asked, answer you got, and status, you can say still pending with Mahadev. So just so that I bring this to life, so let's say where is this thing? So messaging, okay, this one. If you go, okay, let's say this guy is asking one question, right? So this Prakash guy has asked you a question. So let's say this guy has asked a question. So all you do is copy his URL, Control C his URL, and paste it over here. And let's say the question he asked was, do you guys do furniture as well? Okay, that is the question he asked. So small. Do you guys do furniture? Okay, the answer you got, no, we don't. But try https://ehar.eco. Okay, then this is not still pending. It is answered. And I can put a agree, something like that, answer. You can say 1, 2, 3. Is that so that we know, okay, we sent the first message, we sent the second message, these people are engaging back, and these are the questions that you're asking. So if and what we'll do, this particular dashboard, okay, guys, you can access this dashboard directly from this one. Just check if you're able to do it, share with people. You should be able to do this from the what do you say, the link itself. You can download it also on your thing and do it, but you can also let me just share it here so that everybody is always having the same thing. Where is Not this one. What's the name of the thing? Step up, right? Spectralite. And send the link. Okay, so this is the link that you all will be using. So you have access to it, the client has access to it, everybody has access to it. So you guys can, do this. Cool. Yeah, any more questions? I think.
Yes, again.
Yes.
Yeah. Does the client expect me to be sending him any report? And if so, which form of the report that I should be like sending to him, and after which period of time?
See, that's a good habit. It's always a good habit to send him a report. Okay, so this is how the format of the report that I was thinking, like Jan 2021. Okay, the segment that you are working on is sustainability. You're the only one who's working on this, and then how many people are there in that thing? Some 27,000. 1,000 people you sent, 300 of them connected back, 30 of them are doing conversation. Then February 2021. Okay, so you will have something same segment, another 1,000 people you sent, like this. Is this clear? This is a sample report that I want you to send every month.
Okay.
Okay, I think.
And the month will be marked by the end of the 1 month, or just when they signed.
No, just do it calendar month. You are going to be tired, trying to get, just, when the month, 31st of this month comes, just, fill this one and send it. Just do it by January, February, March, April. It's easy. Don't worry about sign and all those things.
So.
I think, this itself, this Excel itself will become our entire report. Okay. So there is also one more thing that I'm doing, guys. This is for you. I don't know whether you guys have a chance to look at it. Have you guys seen this one? Like each of you, how many of you are contacting, right? For example, I think Keisha was really doing a lot, more than 400, I think, I have not updated this. So how many you have contacted potential clients? This is not the same as the previous one. Okay. So this is like how many you have done, like your search, the client is different, but how many you are going after is also here. Okay. I'll share this with you, but it will be a good record for you to, keep together. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Any other questions we can answer? Otherwise, we can call it a day. Good meeting. Just tell me, guys, if you can come online one more time. How do we wake up the other people? The other people are not waking up. Now Zamzam has to wake up. Mohammed, it is your responsibility to wake up Zamzam or Isra. If somebody has to call Zamzam and wake her up. And similarly, Zach was very active and suddenly he's gone very quiet. Oh, is it? Thank you. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can, Anas. Yes.
Okay. What do we do? Any idea?
I mean, yeah, and Kiza has been trying to make people come together. Unfortunately, I'm in Nairobi. What I can do is by calling them, but I think people on the ground are much more suited to following up. I saw that they were pushing to have a meeting every Thursday, but people were not really willing, and it's hard to really push people all the time.
Yeah. No, I think it's like this, right? Let's try. I think Kisha, please continue to try. Jean-Marie, you also tried a lot, last week. It's okay if you cannot meet in person, but I'm sure, all the trouble, that bundle trouble, all the trouble will be gone, very soon, the first client should take away all the trouble. The second client will start making money, more money, right? So, I think it should go away, and so try to talk to them also, because only as a team, we can do this. It will be, if we, like one person cannot do many things, even if you want to, even if you are very ambitious. Yesterday, the client said, let's go with 20 people. Now, that's very scary for me, right? I'm, the people who are already with us only are not taking, it's like, how do we do 20 people?
Yes, can we, if because I've tried on my side, following them up, and even I called, I called some of them, but they seem not responding positively. They don't show that they have they don't have the interest. Only that they say yeah, and then coming into action, it is a little bit hard. So I was trying to, if at the level where we've reached, if we can start preparing a small group of 3 people, each one of us, so that when anything happens, so they can easily handle.
Yeah, no, that also we should do, but yeah, let us see. We need these people because if we have to go big, we need more people. If the most important people are not able to come in, I'm worried. What would so Kisha, just continue to try then. Just tell them that you have you and Isra have got your first client, and Mohammed and Jean-Marie and Zach and Zamzam will get theirs, tomorrow, day after. And there is so many more. You are reaching out to so many. For example, Eat Off Beats, Jean-Marie, right? You will get the second client, probably so soon, because that guy also wanted to do it, right? The New York guy, I don't know. Jean-Marie, did you see that guy? It's quite a good one. Mohammed, you should also take a look at him. Very interesting client.
Who is that?
From 10, what he's done, a sister and a brother. They were refugees, but they went to New York maybe 10 years ago, and they created a kitchen of some 15 refugees in New York who are living in a very difficult conditions, and they created this refugee kitchen, and they started serving different. So one person from Iran, Syria, Venezuela, so many different countries, Sri Lanka, Mexico, some 10-15 chefs from 10-15 countries, and they created a kitchen. It's doing very well for 5-6 years now, and they want a full-on marketing team. They're saying our entire team is refugees, and when we saw your idea, we want to create our entire marketing team as a refugee team. So myself and Jean-Marie, we had our first meeting with them last week, and he also wants to start, really quickly. Let's see how that goes. And Buck Chicks is also there. Buck Chicks want to do with us, right? Zach was there in the meeting with me. Let's see how they go. But it is. I mean, it is coming, and I'm sure many more will come. Kisha, don't be disappointed with all the Kenyan contacts, and Mohammed, you and Isra, I think have started. You have to start, Mohammed. I have sent you a list of all the top potential clients in in Kenya. So it's only a practice ground. I do not expect any big Kenyan people to come and support you with this. I mean, they might. You never know. But this is more like a practice. Just use your profile. And build some power. Within Kenya. But more importantly, Kisha, when you finish with the Kenyan list that I have given you, we will go to the US. When you go to the US, you will get enormous number of clients who wants to work with you on a daily basis. My worry, Kisha, at that point in time is your ability to present to the client and convince them to become your client. You can easily get 10-15 people to work for you, Kisha. That's easy for you. I don't doubt that. You already know what to do, so you can easily teach other people. But where I doubt is, can you pitch the idea to the people who are connecting you with you from the US? That's my thing. There is a lot of things working against you, right? On the internet and this and that, and presenting. Any ideas you have, Jean-Marie, Mohammed, Isra? How can we, scale the pitching? Because let's say just the four of you, let's say you bring in some 20-30 clients from the US. Who will pitch this idea? Because I cannot be there in every pitch, you see.
No, I think at some point, especially with this group of leaders that you are training, people have to be identified, and I think people will have to step up, and we would need to have a core team that we rely on, within a marketing team, within a Step Up, that can engage clients. Not everyone is going to be able to pitch, and that's understandable. So we'll have to really build the core. That's what we need to build, the fundamentals, a core team of people who can reach out.
Yeah, that's correct. No, yeah, that's what, it needs to be that, there is no shame, for example, I have always told, Bahana, I told Bahana, you have to find out somebody who can pitch for you. There is no shame, he agrees with me. Not everybody and nobody, that I have known works like him. He works like crazy, actually, all by himself. He's working across 3-4 clients right now for so many months now. So it's very difficult to do that without getting the, now he's training the next set of people, under him. But I told him, Bahana, you will struggle to pitch. His English is good. It's not bad. He talks very well. But there is a certain element to pitching and winning deals. Not everybody can do that. We have to recognize that. At the same time, if Niyal is very good. Niyal is excellent in pitching, right? He's really good in pitching, but he does not do the work that Bahana does. Bahana is like, 10 people, he'll do 10 people's work. But Niyal doesn't do the work. Niyal just wants to talk. So
you can talk.
So I keep telling these two guys, use your strength. Use your strength. You need the people to pitch. You need the people to do the work. Both are important. And they both get it. They both get it, whatever I'm saying. There's nothing wrong in it, guys. There is really nothing wrong. We cannot be master in everything. You see? But I will leave you with this. Because see, I gave you the Kenya potential clients only because you get practice, you understand how the world is working. But the moment we go to USA or UK, it will be floodgates will open for you guys, and you will struggle. You will not be able to pitch it. So practice as many times as possible, in the current climate. Yeah. And I will try and invite you to all the clients, and see what they can do. Okay. All right, guys. Any last question? Otherwise, we'll, poor fellows, it's almost 6:30, right? It's not good.
Yeah. So, but we also encourage the way you are taking us through everything so that we can see, because we learn by experience.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you learn by experience. Yeah. I'm sure. Cool. All right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. I'll put this also live, for everybody to, oh shit, this one has lots of problematic things. I don't know whether I can put this live, but I will do something. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Cool. Thank
All
you.
the best. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.